Did NASA just discover Earth's twin planet? Speculoos 2 has sent shockwaves through the scientific community and social media alike. Speculoos 2, named after the famous Belgian cookie, is a terrestrial exoplanet located in the habitable zone of its star. This means it could potentially have liquid water on its surface, a key ingredient for life as we know it. It's a captivating thought, isn't it? This curiosity, this fascination, has been part of our human story for as long as we've gazed up at the stars. We've long hoped to find a celestial sibling, a twin to our home planet. This longing is what propels our exploration into the cosmos, pushing us beyond the familiar confines of our solar system. It's this yearning that leads us to the search for exoplanets, those mysterious worlds orbiting stars far, far away from our own. And you know what? Our relentless pursuit of knowledge, our insatiable curiosity may have finally borne fruit. We might be on the brink of a monumental discovery. Well, you might not need to wonder anymore. Enter Speculoos 2, Speculoos 2. A name that might not ring a bell now, but soon it could be as familiar as Mars or Venus. It's a name that holds a promise, a hint of a future where we might look up at the night sky and know that there's another world out there as familiar and as homey as our own Earth. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. What exactly is Speculoos 2? To put it simply, it's an exoplanet, a celestial body that orbits a star outside our solar system. It was discovered as part of the Speculoos project, which stands for Search for Habitable Planets, Eclipsing Ultracool Stars, a program dedicated to finding habitable planets around the smallest, coldest stars in the universe. Speculoos 2 was found orbiting an ultracool dwarf star in a region of the galaxy we call the Goldilocks zone, where conditions might just be right for life as we know it. It's located approximately 40 light-years away from Earth in the constellation Aquarius. Now, 40 light-years may sound like a colossal distance to us, but in the grand scale of the cosmos, it's practically in our backyard. But what makes Speculoos 2 so special? After all, there are estimated to be over 100 billion exoplanets in our galaxy alone. Well, it's all about location, location, location. Speculoos 2 is in that coveted Goldilocks zone, where the conditions are just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist on the surface. And where there's water, there's the potential for life. So we have a planet, a little larger than Earth, orbiting a dwarf star, in a region of the galaxy where the conditions might be just right for life. It's a tantalizing prospect, isn't it? But why does Speculoos 2 stand out among countless other exoplanets? Speculoos 2 isn't just another planet. It holds secrets that could change our understanding of the universe. Speculoos 2, discovered in the year 2022, is a celestial body that has sparked a new wave of curiosity among astronomers and scientists alike. What makes this exoplanet so fascinating is its uncanny resemblance to our very own Earth. It's like looking into a cosmic mirror, seeing a reflection of our home in a distant corner of the universe. Firstly, let's talk about size. Speculoos 2 is roughly the same size as Earth, a feature that immediately elevates its status in the search for extraterrestrial life. Size matters because it influences the planet's gravity. And just like Goldilocks and her porridge, gravity has to be just right. Too much and the planet becomes a gas giant, too little, and it can't hold onto an atmosphere. Speculoos 2 hits that sweet spot just like Earth. Next, let's consider composition. Speculoos 2 is a rocky planet, again, much like Earth. This is a crucial piece of the puzzle because life as we know it relies on solid ground. The rocky nature of Speculoos 2 suggests the presence of minerals and other elements that could support life. Now let's add water to the equation. Water is the elixir of life, the magic ingredient that makes Earth a living, breathing world. While we don't have concrete evidence of water on Speculoos 2 just yet, its position in the habitable zone of its star makes the presence of liquid water a distinct possibility. This zone, often referred to as the Goldilocks zone, is the region around a star where conditions are just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist. But wait, there's more. The atmosphere of Speculoos 2 also shows promising signs. Preliminary observations indicate that it might have an atmosphere similar to Earth's, with a mix of nitrogen, oxygen, and trace amounts of other gases. This could mean the presence of a breathable environment, another point in the favor of potential life. However, it's important to remember that these are early days in our exploration of Speculoos 2. Many more observations and studies are needed to confirm these findings. But the possibility, the tantalizing hint of an Earth 2.0, is enough to keep us looking, to keep us exploring. Speculoos 2 is more than just a distant world. It's a testament to the limitless potential of the universe. It's a reminder that we are not alone, that our home, our Earth, is not unique. There are other worlds out there waiting to be discovered, waiting to share their secrets. But it's not just these Earth-like qualities that make Speculoos 2 special. The real intrigue of Speculoos 2 lies in its mysteries, the things we don't know yet. Speculoos 2 is an enigma that has captured the attention of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. This celestial body, so similar to our own yet so far away, teems with riddles waiting to be solved. One of the most thrilling unknowns is the planet's atmospheric composition. With its Earth-like size and distance from its star, scientists are itching to know if Speculoos 2's atmosphere could sustain life as we know it. Could there be oxygen, carbon dioxide, perhaps even traces of water vapor? The instruments we have today can't quite tell us, but upcoming space missions may just hold the answers to these burning questions. Another mystery is the planet's surface. We know it's rocky like Earth, but what else? Could there be mountains, valleys, oceans, or even signs of geological activity? These are the questions that keep scientists up at night as they pore over data and dream up new missions to explore the unknown. Then there's the question of Speculoos 2's magnetic field. Earth's magnetic field protects us from harmful solar radiation, making life as we know it possible. But does Speculoos 2 have a similar safeguard? And if so, what does it tell us about the planet's core? As we delve deeper into the mystery of Speculoos 2, the intrigue only grows. Each discovery leads to more questions. Each question drives more research. Scientists across the globe are pooling their resources and knowledge to unlock the secrets of this distant world. The ongoing research and studies into Speculoos 2 are not just about satisfying our curiosity. They hold the potential to change our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Each piece of the puzzle brings us one step closer to answering the ultimate question. Are we alone in the universe? So what does this mean for us? Could Speculoos 2 be our future home? The answer might surprise you. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, our eyes are set on finding the next Earth, a place where we could potentially hang our hats and call home. Speculoos 2, with its Earth-like qualities, has indeed sparked imaginations, but could we really call this exoplanet our future home? Let's explore the possibilities and challenges. To start with, we have the enticing prospect of Speculoos 2's habitable zone. This is the region around a star where conditions might be right for liquid water to exist on the surface. And where there's water, there's the potential for life as we know it. Speculoos 2 is right in this Goldilocks zone, making it a prime candidate for future exploration and even habitation. But before we get too excited, it's important to remember that living on an exoplanet isn't as simple as packing up a spaceship and moving in. There are numerous challenges to consider. For one, we don't know much about the atmosphere of Speculoos 2. Does it have enough oxygen? Could it shield us from harmful cosmic rays? These are questions that need answering before we could even think about setting up camp. Then there's the matter of distance. Speculoos 2 isn't exactly in our cosmic backyard. Even with our fastest spaceships, it would take us thousands of years to get there. Unless we make some major breakthroughs in space travel technology, a trip to Speculoos 2 is currently a one-way ticket with no return. And let's not forget about the living conditions. We know Speculoos 2 is Earth-like, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's Earth-friendly. The gravity could be different, the weather could be extreme, and who knows what kinds of unknown dangers could lurk on this foreign world. It would take a lot of preparation and adaptation to make life on Speculoos 2 a reality. But despite these challenges, the idea of Speculoos 2 as a future home for humanity isn't out of the question. It's a long shot, sure, but it's also a tantalizing possibility. With every new discovery, we're learning more about this intriguing exoplanet and inching closer to understanding what it would take to live there. Given the right technological advancements and enough time, we just might find ourselves calling Speculoos 2 home one day. But before we pack our bags, there's still a lot we need to learn about this intriguing exoplanet. Speculoos 2 is more than just a planet, it's a symbol of our unending quest for knowledge and discovery. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, Speculoos 2 stands as a beacon of possibility. This intriguing celestial body, nestled in the vast expanse of space, has captured our curiosity and imagination. It's not merely the physical attributes of Speculoos 2 that have piqued our interest. It's the tantalizing prospect of what this planet represents for the future of human exploration and understanding of the universe. Speculoos 2, with its Earth-like qualities, presents an unprecedented opportunity for scientific discovery. Its proximity to Earth, atmosphere, and potential for water all make it a prime candidate for future space missions. As we've already discussed, the similarities between our home planet and Speculoos 2 are striking, yet the mysteries that remain are equally captivating. So, what's next for Speculoos 2? Well, the world's leading space agencies have plans in place. Soon, advanced telescopes will be trained on this intriguing planet, gleaning more details about its atmosphere and surface conditions. Robotic missions are also on the horizon, designed to gather crucial data and possibly even samples from Speculoos 2. What might we learn from these future endeavors? Perhaps we'll uncover evidence of past or even present life. Maybe we'll discover resources that could support future human missions or even colonization. The possibilities are as vast as the cosmos itself. In the coming years, our understanding of Speculoos 2 will undoubtedly evolve, shaped by the relentless pursuit of knowledge that propels us forward. Each new discovery will bring us one step closer to answering some of the most profound questions about our place in the universe. So, as we gaze into the night sky, we might not just be looking at stars, but potentially our future home.